I don't know. Then I got another dilemma. Why did I come in here? Because they have this stingray that I am very tempted to get. Oh, I can't lift with my left arm. I'm tempted to get this. They have two. This one has, both don't look right. This is the other one. I don't know. Then I got another dilemma. Okay, so these look like the same allocations to me. This one says Mythic Dragon Scale. And this one says, oh, I'm an idiot. I read something different. I read this part. And then when I came to the other one, I only read the top part. So, trying to figure out. So there's no dilemma here. There's only one. It's the same plant. The dilemma now, though, is look at that leaf. Should I buy it? Oh my gosh. More to come. Okay. So I like this. This is some type of ficus. It has the tag. Oh, so cute. Then I found another alocasia. This one is the Silver Dragon, which I've owned. This one has flowered, or whatever you want to call it. See here. That's a flower. And then this philodendron. Which one is this one called again? Oh, it's so loud in here. Green diamond. And then there's, I had this calathea, but when I purchased it, I found a mealybug on it about 3 weeks in. I like this one too. I purchased this one before, and it's doing really well. Look at this calathea. Oh. Yeah, it's full too. It's nice and tall. The leaves are huge. Oh. Then they have some smaller sizes up here, which I am tempted, if I get anything, is to get this ficus. Because the one that I have, which they actually have here, which is this one. Okay. Oh boy. I'm gonna walk away from all of it. I'm gonna put it back. Because nope, I'm not buying nothing during the fall. Not even you, which is the main one I would truly, truly buy. The stingray. This is not easy to find. Oh no, I want to get this one. Look how pretty that is, how shiny the leaves are. Jesus. It's a lot of deadness though. This. This leaf looks fairly new. It's probably been bent up so much. Look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Okay. I made an executive decision. I am going to walk. Oh, not my left. I did it again. Move this back. I'm walking away. It's Not meant to be. Not today. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. See you later. All of you. Bye.